Come on, y'all, to the Gullah Geechee Nation. Join me for the 25th anniversary of the Gullah Geechee Nation, celebrating just who we be, that we be Gullah Geechee anointed people, on Satdee, July 26, 2025, right upon historic St. Helena Island, why be Gullah Geechee Famlee Day, noon to shree, all in the Penn Center National Landmark Historic District. Oh, hunnuh children, you gonna get to beat the drum and dance with the one and only Wanna Woman out of Chalktown. Hunnuh children, get ready for joining in with the ensemble. They buy our African drum and dance, and then they clean the African spirit kadidi. And right of us, we Sweetgrass, artist Anastasia Ketchin from Mount Pleasant. And back by popular demand, hunnuh children, get the one and only Marcus Allen, R&B soul singer, going to get you on the dance floor. And all hunnuh children, you going to dance and slide some more. Hunnuh children with DJ Kwame Shah, all mobile productions. Amp, turn it up. They gonna be lining them up. Oh, and showing up for Nyampan, all that good thing, I think like that. Oh, we got plenty good thing for hunnuh Nyampan. And hunnuh vegetarian, you ain't got to worry. We got hunnuh square the way right here too. Oh, but hunnuh children, then you can get with the elders and the artists of this year cuisine. As well as the quilting, we got the Elder Carol Home Brown returning this year, and plenty of we vendors from the motherland all the way to right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. Yet how they do this year, knock on my hand and things like that, and then how we took this all down in this year, Sea Island Sand. So y'all come for join the Gullah Geechee Famlee. Bring family and friend with hunnuh children. Get your ticket on Eventbrite so you can get all these your things and learn the truth of who we are from we down here. As we got, even in the building, we minister information for the Gullah Geechee Nation, Elder Carly Town, out of Chalktown, from the neck, and the artist, Quadri Stucky, going to be right there, originals and things like that. Truly, y'all have to come for join we as we go through this show. Legacy, led by Queen Quick, chiefess and head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Unite with we, hunnuh children, and join we in the circle of blessing and power as we celebrate one more again, Gullah Geechee Famlee Day 2025. Get your ticket on Eventbrite today. Peace.